If you are dealing with scoliosis, tight back muscles, or pain after a long day, these little balls might become your new best friend. I call them my magic balls. They're actually just regular lacrosse balls, inexpensive, small, and incredibly efficient for releasing tight muscles. Hi, I'm Maria, a Pilates instructor who battles scoliosis and back aches on a daily basis. Today I'm going to show you a few simple ways I use this to keep helping my body moving and keep living fully. Let's start with first easy move, but for that we're gonna use a ball and we'll need to find a wall. So now that we are at the wall, we're gonna place the ball behind your back and gently press your body into the wall. Try not to go on the bony parts like your shoulder blade or the spine itself. And you can roll through the tension, through the tight area by bending the knees, going up and down. And you can also go to the side to side, where you can get the area around the shoulder blade. This feels really nice, and it's good because you can control how much pressure you're actually applying on a certain area. Again, try to avoid the spine, and this is amazing little toy to play with. And let's go back to the floor. Now that we're on a floor, we're gonna place the ball under the hip and start moving around. Pressure is up to you. You can always place your elbow down, you can straighten the leg, bend it, move it side to side, but that main area of the deep glute, deep hip muscles is there for you to relieve at your own pressure. Last thing I like to do is placing the balls at the base of my skull and gently moving around. As you know, with scoliosis, your neck is also affected. So tight neck, balls go together really well. You can do it laying down, just placing it under the skull where the neck meets the head, and moving side to side, for example, to apply deeper pressure on each side. Tools like this don't replace good movement or proper posture, but they can make a huge difference in how your body feels day to day. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to get a set of these balls. And if you live with scoliosis like I do, I'll be sharing more exercises and tips in this series, so follow along and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later.